Namaste, beautiful souls. This is Vidya here from the yoga room, yoga teacher by profession. Today I am going to go for my first photo shoot by a very beautiful, vivacious person called Nirmala Narayan. She's a photographer. Why don't you introduce yourself, Nirmala?
Good morning. This is Nirmala Narayan. I'm pursuing my career in photography, and today I'm going to do. This is my first photo shoot, and today I'm going to shoot Vidya Vakil. She is a professional yoga instructor. She's done 16 years in corporate, and she's left her job to pursue yoga.
By the way, even she's left her job to pursue her career in photography. So we both are following our passion.
Passion, yes.
Yes.
Rightly said.
So what's the plan today?
So today we are heading to Church Street, and we're going to see what we're going to capture.
Actually, the entire night it has rained, so I hope the roads are dry and be able to do some good photo shoot. Yeah.
Exactly.
Now let's head to our car, which is standing there.
I'm so excited to capture Vidya with her beautiful yogic poses. She's really good at it.
It's 6:30 now.
Yes, it's
Let's see if
6:30.
we are able to get some sunlight.
Wow, just look at her.
So here we've headed Church Street, which is our photo shoot location, and Nirmala is already on her way to work. I don't know what location we're looking at. Nirmala, what are we looking at?
We'll figure out some nice walls and
Yeah, so this is the Church Street. We've done our
Yeah.
online research.
Now hopefully we
Wow,
find
this
some
street
nice
looks
locations
good.
for our photo shoot.
Hopefully.
Be looking at some kind of fancy walls, maybe. Also, I'm in clothes which are kind of skimpy. Let's see how we go about that. We're walking, looking for a place. We're just exploring the place. Online we had seen that the metro station building has some nice graffiti and painting. Let's see whether we can do something there. There it is. Can you see? Brilliant.
What's the plan, Nirmala?
Oh, we'll just head to the other part of Church Street.
Okay.
We can find some nice location there. So this part, I think we've done justice. It's come out well. I'm happy with the pics.
Yeah, with the wall,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I know. Happy with the pics too.
Wow. And the sun is already out. We'll get some nice.
Yeah, hopefully we'll
Yeah.
get some shoot
And
with the
yesterday
sun.
night it rained.
Yeah, I'm glad it didn't go
Exactly.
flop, right? My God, in the night I was so worried. All these are Yulu bikes. You want to ride a Yulu bike?
It's fun though.
But I've never drove a Yulu bike
it's
or
really-
ridden a Yulu bike.
Really?
Yeah.
It's fun.
Is it?
Yeah.
So okay, all the garbage boxes are empty now. You can put in more garbage. Hey, Nirmala, what?
Yes.
We haven't taken our selfie with
Oh
our
yeah, and
attire.
we're like twinning
Luckily,
also.
yeah, we're twinning
twinning, yeah.
Oh, there are cute little dogs. Chunnu and Munnu. They are on their walk. Nice. Woo. Bye bye. Okay. Oh wow, Nirmala, look at this. I think your accessory has come here, which you forgot to get.
I'll buy one soon.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Why don't you
This will be mine.
Yes.
Oh
Hey,
wow.
wow, look at those flowers, Nirmala.
Yeah. I
They
think
look
we
so
can
good.
get a nice shot there. Oh, we have cyclists. Huh?
Yeah, see, why not?
Okay.
Soon we'll come here on cycle.
I think we'll find better flowers elsewhere.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, done. Oh, we got some beautiful shots here with the sun.
Oh shit, look at my pants. Oh my
Oh, wait. There you
White
go.
pants.
White pants. and
It's gone.
They're dirty. Side effect of being a photographer.
Are you happy with this? I want you to check out.
I think it's very dark, no? Do you think we need
Because
more?
the sun
Wow,
is
this looks nice.
Yeah.
This is nice, right?
Yeah, I'm happy with this.
Okay, this
Wow.
one also nice.
You're good, actually. You're really
You're
good.
good. But one with the sun, I'm not very happy.
Because the sun is playing around today. It was like raining yesterday. So. Okay, and now we are done with the shoot, with the Church Street shoot, and we're heading home. I'm happy with the poses, and even she.
Hey, look at that fountain
Oh
there.
wow! Yeah, I think we can
Should
get a
we-
nice. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll
Should we
get a
do
nice.
something there?
Yes,
Did
yes,
you
we
show
should.
that? No, what fountain we talking? Just,
Oh.
Yeah, it's
It's. Okay, right now we're done with the photo shoot. Okay.
yeah, and we were very happy taking you guys through our photo shoot journey.
And this is our first vlog.
Yeah, it's our first vlog. Right. We forgot that.
Yeah.
If you want to see our photo shoot pics, please follow us on our Instagram IDs, and the link is in the bio.
Yes.
Yes. See you. Bye
Bye bye.